all, a very happy Independence Day to everyone. Since 1947, we are celebrating Independence Day. So I don't think so that any one of you present over here doesn't know what Independence Day means. British colonized over India, many soldiers lost their life, many people lost their livelihood, bloodshed, many women so, and finally India got its freedom. See, I know it is not as easy and as simple as I am saying right now, but why to discuss something over here which is easily available in Google or Wikipedia? Because hello, we are in modern era where we have Google, Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram all in our phone. Oh, it's Independence Day. Let me take a beautiful picture of mine with a caption of hashtag Independence Day. Hashtag celebrating Independence Day. Hashtag I love my India forever. Hashtag I'm free. Hashtag this, hashtag that. Send to all the colleagues. Send to all the friends. Send to all the family members. Insta story uploaded. WhatsApp status checked. On Facebook posted. Independence Day done. This is the reality because this is how most of the people in our country celebrate Independence Day. Some might be on homes and some might be on roads. But just after the day of Independence Day, since Independence Day gone, their so-called nationalism is gone. Isn't it quite funny that we take care of our parents every day? Our parents take care of us each day, but to take care of our Mother India, we are just having 3 days. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti, isn't it? The truth is that in this era, we hardly love our country. No doubt we say that we love our country, but so do the soldiers who are sitting in such high temperature in those deserted area in the state of Rajasthan. Day and night, never mind without caring of their sleep, they are the ones who truly love our country. We say that Marvel superheroes, Spider-Man, Batman, Thor, Hulk, these are our superheroes. But why? Why do we fail to mention those real life superheroes who are actually sitting in our borders and protecting us day and night? Why do we fail to mention those doctors because of whom we are fit today? Why do we fail to mention those farmers because of whom we are having something to eat? Why do we fail to mention those laborers who have made this building? Why do we fail to mention our teachers because of whom we are having something in our brains? Why do we fail to mention our parents because of whom we are existing and acting into this world today? So as we all know that today we are celebrating Independence Day, which is to be celebrated when one is truly independent. But I honestly don't think so that any one of you present over here is truly independent. Today, we are celebrating Independence Day of 1947 in 2025 without actually being independent. Today, we are celebrating 79th year of independence when we are still bounded by negative thoughts. Today, we are celebrating 79th year of independence when we still think of कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. We say that we are celebrating 79th year of independence when we still believe in बेटी बचाओ, बेटी पढ़ाओ, उसके बाद उसको ले जाके किचन में बैठाओ. We say that we are celebrating 79th year of independence when still birth of a girl child is accepted but a boy child is to be celebrated. Wow. We say that we are celebrating 79th year of independence when we still murder people for sake of name, for sake of fame. And congratulations, because today we all are celebrating Independence Day. This Independence Day of 15 August 2025 is not just an ordinary Independence Day, because this is an under construction Independence Day. So let all of us truly, really and surely make this Independence Day of 15 August 2025 actually independent so that this celebration would really have a meaning. देशभक्तों के बलिदान से स्वतंत्र हुए हैं हम, देशभक्तों के बलिदान से स्वतंत्र हुए हैं हम। कोई पूछे कौन हो तो गर्व से कहेंगे भारतीय हैं हम। देशभक्ति केवल झंडा लहराने में नहीं बल्कि इस प्रयास में है कि देश मजबूत भी हो और सही भी। थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर लिसनिंग टू मी सो काइंडली।